May mga paganito si Pupo. Ano naman kaya ito? Tignan natin kung ano ito mga parang crank na to. Ayan, nag-message siya sa akin. Ito muna ang i-check natin. Tignan natin. Okay, live streaming. Confirm. Okay. Then next, ano yung sunod? Ito, Happy Ocean Hunts Regional, rank number 1. Ayan, 1.5 M. Tignan nga natin. Ayan siya, may 50. Receive natin. Tignan natin kung marireceive natin. Okay, receive. Wow, taray. May pa ganun-ganun siya. Tapos, mayroon pang isa. Ito, Happy Ocean Hunts Global Daily Ranking number 1. Okay, tignan nga natin kung ano naman i-touch. Ayan. Wow, may 2 million. Receive natin. Tignan natin. Hindi pa siya pwedeng i-receive. Tingnan natin yung rules. Participants Ocean Hunts only the event lasts for 3 days and rewards are given of the 3 consecutive days. Participants all hosts and platforms including male hosts. Ranking in according to the game's tips points given to the host by using during the whole event of period. Gaming tips points, the number of diamonds won by users bet amount. 1%, 0.1. Rewards need to be claimed by host manually on the next day, and the rewards will be waived if the host fail to claim it time. Participants game Ocean Hands only. Only the gaming tips points sent by user participants Ocean Hands live party will be counted. Ano daw? Ocean Hands in the live or party will be in the counted. Okay, kailangan nating ma-receive ito. Ayan, 2 million yan. Ang laki niyan. Ayan, nag-to be confirm na siya. 2 million. Receive. Oh my God, ang dami nating na-receive. Ay, panalo. I love it. Thank you so much, Popo. Number 1, dami nating na-receive today. Ayan, meron tayong Romantic Manila, may mga ganon. Ayan. So, ayan, dami kong na-receive today. Thank you so much, Papa Pupo. Aroy, may papapa na agad.